And that's the last chapter of my college life. We are moving out! Yung boyfriend ni Laya. Yung jowa ko tulog. Ayun.
Spot on.
Kitchen first because ang dami naming hindi tinapon at kinain.
Yes. Nagmamakaawa na yung isa siya. Meron siyang piling makain. Oh my God, sa'yo go, Skye.
Akin yan? Alam mo, nakakalimutan ko kung ano yung akin at hindi. So, hindi ko makain.
Wala tayong makalap. Recycling pala to.
Sagip ka, pamilya pa.
Wala. Tama, sige, kainin mo. March 2025.
Kailangan mo ng sailing paper bag.
Oo nga, consent farm ha. Wala na to, Lot. Ayaw na. Sa akin. Oh my gosh, pares tayo na yun.
Ito.
Oh, yan. Dikit-dikit na yan.
Wala siyang magawa kasi ako may hawak. Ito.
Sa'yo na to.
Ito.
Ito ang kakabukas lang namin. Nag-pancakes kami ng isang araw. Oh, January 26 pa. Hindi, wag
Ito.
yan.
Ginawa.
Nakakainis na rinig niyo ba yun?
Sorry, magkaroon nila na.
Skye, kung pinapanood mo ito ngayon, sana narinig mo.
Ako dito nagsabi, paano tayo good shepherd?
Hi, Skye's vlog.
Nakarating po kami sa
Update.
Gusto niyo bang ano? Gusto niyo
Wala na naman. Hala, ang galing nito, Skye!
Ayan, no?
Yeah, saan ka lagay? Okay, go.
iisip ko eh. Habang sinasabi ni Nina.
Paano yun? Like kailangan
Oo
specific,
nga, oo nga, oo nga.
specific skill. So, hindi na.
Hulaan nyo na lang kung ano. Hulaan nyo. Kasi
And that's the last chapter of my college life. Moving out. I'm going back to Bulacan. Damn. I'll show you around. Bed empty. Cabinet almost empty. Sorry. Cabinet empty. Oh my God. CR almost empty. It's really goodbye college officially. My God, my bag got so deformed. Picture. Bye. Hi, so it's day 3 of trying to fix the house. So the day 1 was my clothes. Day 2, oh, it's day 2 pala, day 2. I'm trying to fix the kitchen. I bought so much organizers. May binild ako isa for my mom. So next one is the organizer for the kitchen. Let me get it. Bought lalagyan ng food pantry, I don't know what you call it, for the kitchen kasi everything is just in a big box. It doesn't look good and it's so hard to get the food that we need kasi nga nakatago siya sa mga mega boxes and yung mga mega boxes nakatago din, so napapanis yung food. So let's build this. Okay, medyo gets ko na siya. I assembled it wrong, so I have to tear it all up again. I'm almost done. Last one. Finally done. Focus this. I'm gonna make this my coffee and matcha station. So I'm gonna move this to somewhere else. Hold on. I am done for the first part of the kitchen. This one used to be so crowded, like there's a huge mega box here. So I bought this so that we can put the snacks here. Kasi nga we bought so much snacks and we couldn't eat it kasi we can't see it. So nilagay ko here. This is everything pang luto. And then this one, I made this my section. Kasi nahihirapan ako na ang layo na nararating ko. So, this is sa taas is yung mga tea. Kasi I also drink tea. Dito sa baba is everything coffee. And my matcha. Everything matcha is here. Oh my God! Ba't dalawa to? Dalawa ba nabili ko? Gago, ba't dalawa to? May isa lang. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look. This is kind of misleading, you know. Hello. So it's been a week since I started moving in. Since I keep going out, hindi tuloy-tuloy yung paglinis. But here is the update. I think it's 80% okay now. This is my room. So naayos na siya. My stuff, nakahiwalay siya. This one is like work and gadgets. And then that one is all beauty and makeup. As in, nakaayos na siya. Ngayon ko na lang ito nakita ulit na puno. And then here is everything I use for hair. And then for face sa baba. And then my meds. Hindi ko pa napipinturahan pero ipipaint ko yan. My bags. And then my cabinet. Masyadong madaming laman. And we're gonna replace my bed. Bumili na kami sa IKEA ng bed frame. And then we're gonna buy a mattress from Emma soon. When we moved to this area, grabe nung una sobrang puno nito. Ngayon na-clear out na. We transferred my condo's mirror here. And then my shoes. Our shoes. Mostly mine. Kasi may walk-in closet naman si mama. And then clear this out. This is the updated coffee and matcha corner. So this is all tea. This one is pistachio cream kasi hindi nakasya dito. This is Milo sugar. My frother, coffee mate, agave, Biscoff, sea salt, and then my syrup. Then our Nespresso frother or Nespresso capsules. And then my matcha kit. This is my bowl and chasen. And then an extra one kasi pasera na to. Bought this from Shopee. This one used to hold like my makeup when it was still unwrapped. Then my other matcha things. Oops. Then my scale and fizzy. So I bought this para dito na lang nakalagay yung snacks. So this is where the fruits are. At yes, Yeah, yung mga quick to get snacks. This is from Taiwan. And then, more snacks. Ayan. And then, eto, kaya siya nasa labas kasi this is what I eat before workout. And then, I also cleaned our ref. Kasi ang daming expired dati. So, nasa taas yung mga sweets ng mom ko. May snacks. Oops! Lalagyan yung gym stuff ko. So, right now, ang laman lang niya is my whale protein. It looks konti. But, it took so much days and effort to like fix all of these. And it's not even 100% done. Siguro, I'd say 80%. And magkaka-work na ako soon. So, we need to finish up. That's all.